Move over, Premier League legends. There's a new sheriff in town, and his name is Bukayo Saka, Arsenal's golden boy, creative powerhouse, and the man who's out here making defenders question their life choices. Let's talk about why Saka is not just the talk of the town, but possibly the reason Pep Guardiola sleeps with one eye open. 1. Breaking records with assists, and breaking ankles along the way. Bukayo Saka is out here dishing assists like he's Oprah handing out cars. You get a goal. You get a goal. Everybody gets a goal. The man has already surpassed his assist tally from last season, and guess what? He's not done yet. Fans on X, formerly Twitter, but let's not get into that drama, are hyped, predicting he might just break the all-time assist record. Ah, yes, because nothing screams legend like a well-placed cross. Too decisive in big moments, Mr. Clutch. Let's talk about that 5-2 smackdown of West Ham. Saka wasn't just playing football, he was conducting a symphony. A free kick assist here, a penalty there. It's like he's running a footballing masterclass. Meanwhile, West Ham's defense was probably Googling how to stop Saka at halftime. Spoiler alert, you can't. The man's out here influencing games like he's the Premier League's version of TikTok. 3. Consistency. Across competitions, Saka doesn't take days off. Consistency? Oh, he's got it. Champions League, Europa League, Carabao Cup. Saka's doing the same thing everywhere. He even showed up in a critical match against Sporting Lisbon and delivered a pinpoint assist for Kai Havertz. Yes, you heard that right. Kai Havertz. If Saka can get him scoring, the man truly is a magician. 4. Earning global recognition. Saka's world tour. Arsenal's social media team practically has a Saka appreciation template at this point. Every game, it's player of the match, Bukayo Saka. I mean, they could save time by just pinning that tweet at the start of the season. Pundits are calling him a global talent on the rise. Well, duh. We've been calling him that for 2 years now. Catch up, pundits. If the stats don't lie, numbers that'll make you cry if you're a rival fan. By November 30th, 2024, Saka had racked up 15 goal involvements in 17 games. 15. That's more than some strikers manage in their dreams. Social media's calling him Arsenal's assist maestro, and honestly, they're not wrong. The man could assist a goal while blindfolded. At this rate, he's not just redefining creativity, he's inventing a whole new genre of football. 6. What's next for Saka? So, where does Saka go from here? Maybe he'll break the assist record. Maybe he'll score 50 goals in a season. Or maybe, just maybe, he'll get Arsenal that elusive Premier League title. But one thing's for sure, this kid is making football look too easy and we're all just here for the show. Let's be real, if you're not watching Saka this season, are you even watching football? All right, football fans, what do you think? Is Saka the best player in the Premier League right now? Or is there someone else giving him a run for his money? Let us know in the comments.